Hey, this is Dave with Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake, just a few miles from the Idaho border. Brett's RV has multiple locations throughout Washington, Idaho, and Montana. So if you're looking for a fifth wheel, trailer, motorhome, boat, all the above, you can visit us at brettsrv.com. Here's today's featured presentation. If you'd like a personalized tour of this product or anything at Brett's RV, give us a call or visit us at brettsrv.com. Thanks for watching.